In this video, I'll be showing you the best XDefiant aim assist settings. Start by going to the settings, then gameplay and UI. Set field of view somewhere between 100 and 120. If you feel like your aim assist isn't strong enough, then try using 110 or even 105. Although this won't increase your aim assist, it can help make it more noticeable. Set ADS field of view to consistent. Set ADS behavior to hold. Set ADS sensitivity transition to instant. Switch to the controller settings. Select the button layout option and use Brawler or Default. Brawler will allow you to crouch with your right stick and melee with circle or B. However, if you have a Pro controller with paddles or back buttons, then you may want to use Default. Go back. Set Aim Assist to Standard, Aim Assist Strength to 0, and Aim Assist Follow to 0. Set Aim Response Curve Type to Reverse S-Curve. Set Horizontal Sensitivity anywhere from 50 to 90. I personally use 70, then use the same for vertical sensitivity. Set both ADS sensitivity multiplier options to 1.00. If you prefer your aim to slow down when you ADS, then try 0.90. Set dead zone left stick as low as possible without getting stick drift. Usually somewhere between 1 and 3 will work fine. Set dead zone right stick to about 5, increase this if needed. Set acceleration speed multiplier to 0. Turn off both the invert axis options and turn off controller vibration. Switch to video and graphics. Set triple buffering to off. This will help improve input latency. However, if you experience dropped frames or stuttering, then you can try turning it back on. Apply and you will now have the best aim assist settings for XDefiant. Consider leaving a like if you found the video helpful.